Hi, my name is Hian Huyen, and I'm here to help my student achieve her goal of leaning out and toning muscles. To achieve this goal, I designed a resistance training program to strengthen muscles and burn more calories throughout the day. We'll work on the lower body with a focus on the form to target specific muscles and prevent injuries. Today, I walk my student through two exercises, leg press and hip thrust with barbell. Jen is my student and the demonstrator in this video.
Prior to exercise, the student needs to do a 10-minute warm-ups. Performing warm-ups increase the muscle temperatures and blood flow, which contributes to increased exercise performance and reduce the risk of injuries. This is a leg press machine. This machine helps strengthen the glutes, hamstring, and quadriceps muscles. To start this exercise, the student will sit down and then put back flat against the seat. Place her feet on the platform at a middle foot placement, shoulder width apart. During the exercise, the student needs to maintain her feet shoulder width apart, engaging her core, and while keeping the back flat. She needs to perform each movement in control to avoid the risk of injuries. She will inhale while the feet and knees are in flexion, and exhale while the feet and knees are in extension. While she extends the leg, remember not to fully extend the leg and not block the knees to avoid the risk of damage to the knees. We'll do 3 sets of 15 and 70 pounds. You can start.
The next exercise is hip thrust with barbell. This exercise targets the glutes and hamstring muscles. To start this exercise, sit right next to the box. Bring your body up so that your scapula right at the edge. Bring your hip up. Move your leg to the front a little bit. Keep your hip up. When your knees are at a 90-degree angle, this is the correct form. When you do this exercise, remember to engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and maintain a neutral cervical gauge. You can move your hip up and down, and up, and down. This is the correct form. Now we're going to add the weight. The weight needs to be at the middle. You can bring your body down. Okay. You can use your hand to stabilize the barbell, but not to help you bring the weight up, okay? Okay, you can start. We'll do 3 sets of 10s. Remember to engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Good job.
After the exercise, she needs to walk on the treadmill for 2 laps to cool down. The cooling down process allows a gradual recovery of the heart rate and blood pressure to a normal level. Note that it is normal to experience soreness and stiffness within 24 to 48 hours post-exercise. This discomfort will diminish after 72 hours.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful and feel more confidence when working out at the gym. Bye!